This video is going to be about the new brakes that I received, brake kit. It's the Wilwood Forged Dynalite rear parking brake kit. Yeah, I got it for a new big Ford 2.5-inch offset, and I'm gonna open it up and see everything that's in it and go over everything. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's part number 140-7140, and it's DR, which is drilled red. So all right, let's get started, and I'll get back to you in a sec. I'm going to give you a close-up of the detailed big bearing Ford new style. That is the part number 140-7140. It's for a big Ford 9-inch rear. I'm going to be installing that when I get the rear. Haven't gotten it yet, so I just want to go over a few things that. So let me bring all the boxes out, and I'll go over everything with you. Okay, everything's opened up. I want to show you everything that I received. Right here is the left and the right rear rotor, and I wanted to show you the DR in the description is drilled and slotted, in case anyone did not know. I'm just covering my bases. And this right here, there's an arrow pointing the direction of travel on the rotor. I pointed that out in my other video regards to the front brake kit. This is the rear brake kit. It's for a 9-inch Ford rear. I haven't received it yet. When I get it, I will make a video of that with the third member and putting that all together. But for now, I just wanted to show you the brake kit. This is the Wilwood brake kit here. The actual caliper, really nice. Has its own bleeding port on the top, on the left side, right side, right side. Really nice. So this is the 4-piston. Everything came out really nice there. It looks good. Got a nice stamped Wilwood there. And then I want to show you the bracket kit for the emergency brakes. It's right here. So this is nice. There's the emergency brake lever right here. Okay, this piece, this is where the cable comes through and attaches to the emergency brake, which expands the brakes for the emergency. That really nice setup there. This gets bolted through the rear, and there's the bracket right here is the retaining bearing bracket. So the retaining bearing is there. I'm going to put this down right there, and then the other one is right there. So just wanted to show you that. Here's the retaining clip, the retaining bearing that I showed you. This right here is the bolt kit that you would need to bolt everything together. This is the kit that bolts the calipers over here, those calipers, to this part of the brake kit. So right here, it's a threaded bolt, one up, one down, high and low. That's where this kit comes in play. And then this is the adapter kit for the rotors. Is the adapter rotor if you have a center hole bigger than 3.6, supplied only with rotors with 3.06 center hole. So this right there, part number 3011337. The bolts that come with the kit to attach the caliper to the bracket kit, which is this right here. And then you have the brakes over here, really nice. So individual 4-cylinder brake kit. Everything came really nicely packaged. Really happy with it. So I'm getting a 9-inch Ford rear, and as soon as that comes, I'm going to be putting that rear together and applying these brakes. So right now I'm actually working on the frame right there. It's giving me a problem, so I decided to put a little video together and show you my progress. This is the brake kit for the rear. I'm going to bring you over here so you can see it. All right, this is a video that's going to be coming out soon with the frame strengthening kit that I'm installing. I ran into a situation, so I am actually delayed. So I decided to post a video on the brake caliper and rotors for my rear that I have. So I hope you like it, and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.